Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at the PopSocket phone grip holder slide, all right? And this is a PopSocket that's pretty unique because it fits around the phone and it slides up and down so you can adjust it easily. And we're going to look at it for the iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, the iPhone 12, which fits the iPhone 12 Pro, and the Note 20 Ultra. These are big phones, and these iPhones have flat sides, so people ask about that. So we're going to go ahead and check it out and see how it works, all right? Let's get started. Okay, so we have the Note 20 Ultra right here. It's a pretty big phone, probably one of the biggest out right now. Now this will go on, it's got a case on it, by the way. Not a real big case, but it does have a case. So we're gonna put this on, so you see it does fit, all right? It fits around the case, no problem, okay? You can use it. Now you can move, now this doesn't slide as easily on the case, but you grab this and it did slide down, okay? So it slid down. I was able to slide it up and down on this case, all right? Now I got this little lanyard open right there. That might be a problem. You might hit a bump right there. And then you can still charge with this on as well, as long as you put the charger in this area right here. So it does work and it slides up and down on this case on the Note 20, which is a pretty big phone, all right? Pretty easy to put on and take off, okay? Now to take it off, you just grab this area right here and you pull it, slide it off, and you're good to go, okay? Now we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the biggest iPhone right here. And we're gonna put, now it's got that square shape. Everybody's been concerned about that, or some people in it have anyway. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what it looks like, all right? So you put it on, and this phone is actually wider than a Note. So, but it still fits with the case, all right? So it'll fit the iPhone 12 Pro Max even with the case. Now this is not a thick case, but it is a case. Now this was a little bit of a stretch to get it on there, so it was a little tight. Now, as you can see, because of this flat side, this is not coming around the sides like it did on the Note, all right? Because it's thicker than the Note, this phone is. Now, but it did work, all right? I mean, you can put it on and you can use it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, all right? And let's see if it slides. Okay, so it did slide up and down, all right? So it still slides up and down pretty easily as well. Okay, so that does work, okay? Now charging, because the iPhone 12 Pro has that mag charger and it's in a certain area, I'm not sure. So I did pull it down a little further to the end there, so you'll be able to get this area here so you can charge it, okay? Let's check that out real quick and see what it looks like. All right, so I couldn't get the iPhone 12 Pro Max to set well on this charger here to get it to charge. I think the charger is further down in this area. Let's push it up a little further and see what happens when we push this up further. Let's see. Yeah, so this charging is not going to work well on the iPhone, but it did work on the Note as better, but it didn't work too well on the iPhone. At least not in this case. You're gonna have to take it off to charge it. Yeah, it's gonna need to be taken off to get a charge on the iPhone, okay? Now I also know they've been having some problem with iPhone charging anyway, so that might be a problem too. Now this is the iPhone 12, much smaller device, and I don't have a case on this one. It's a model, but it works well and it slides up and down, no problem, okay? So it's gonna work well on the iPhones, even though you have that flat side, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the PopSocket Slide Grip phone holder, okay? Works with many different devices, even if you have a case, even if they're big devices, okay? So wanted to put this video out because some people did ask about that. All right, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.